Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then hi, welcome. My name is Nikita and I post videos based on lifestyle, fashion and motherhood. And as you can tell by the title of today's video, I'm doing a get everything done in an hour. I've given myself an hour before work just to get everything clean, get as much as I can done. I'm going to set a timer just because I feel like when I set a timer, it just motivates me that little bit more just to see how far I can actually push myself and see how much I can get done. So let's go.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? I feel like I've been here before, familiar with the view. kissed a girl just 'cause you wanted to. Not thinking about what you made her do. She started doing her hair and makeup, oh, just for you. Only because you kissed a girl when you wanted to. You think you're young and smart, got no responsibility in this world. But if you're young and smart, you should know better. Don't get laid back 'cause you're not that cool. Don't think you're safe and sound walking around breaking rules. I'll bet your parents are worried sick. That's not as cool as you think. Not as cool as you think, yeah.
That's it, guys. So I literally did my living room, dining area, kitchen, downstairs toilet, and the main bathroom. I feel like I've been so productive and I got so much done, and I'm really pleased with how much I managed to do within that 1 hour. I think I did it with about 50 seconds to spare. I didn't actually record me stopping the timer, but it's just one of those things. It's just the trial and error of making videos, I suppose, but I promise I did get it done within the hour. I had such a good clean. I feel like I got so much done. I actually ended up putting on a couple of loads of laundry while I was doing the video as well, which I didn't film just because my utility is upside down and I just couldn't face showing that on the internet. It's horrendous at the minute and there's still so much work to be done in there. But if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you're notified every single time that I upload, and I will see you again in another video. Bye!